So do you guys know the Maserati Grecale don't have door handles but are like buttons? Buttons? See what I'm saying? Literally, that's the button to open. That's the Grecale because it's Italian. Alright, I'm just talking shit. Wow, this is a funny one too. I almost couldn't find the shifter. So I was looking and looking. I'm like, where is it? Where is it? I couldn't find it. And then I'm like, bro, this is the shifter. So that's for drive, that's neutral, that's reverse, and that's park.